Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making beef katsu. Beef steak is coated with panko breadcrumbs and deep fried, similar to tonkatsu. Beef katsu originated from a French veal cutlet dish that came into Japan in the late 19th century. Pork katsu, known as tonkatsu, became more popular over time, but beef katsu is certainly a classic Western-style Japanese dish. These are the ingredients for katsu. If you made tonkatsu or chicken katsu before, these are the same familiar ingredients for breading. For the sauce, instead of using a store-bought tonkatsu sauce, today we are making simple demi-glace sauce you can easily make at home. For ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. Let's get started. First, we make the sauce. Melt butter in a frying pan at medium heat and add the flour. We are using the all-purpose flour and cook for a few minutes until becoming light brown. Add some red wine and tomato paste and mix well. Whisking beef broth, little by little, whisking constantly. And add the rest of the seasonings: sugar, salt, Worcester sauce, and soy sauce. Stir constantly and cook until thickened. Cover and keep warm. On a cutting board, cover the meat with a plastic wrap and pound it with a meat tenderizer. Sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides of the meat. Next, coat the meat with the flour, dip in the egg, and then cover with panko breadcrumbs. Heat the frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the crumb-covered meat. Turning once or twice, fry until the color turns golden brown and the meat floats in the oil, about 5 to 8 minutes for medium. You can adjust the cooking time according to your preference. Carefully set the meat on a cooling rack for a minute and cut into 5 to 6 pieces. Serve with shredded cabbage just like tonkatsu. And pour the demi-glace sauce over katsu. This sauce is so easy to make, but it's very flavorful. It tastes almost like stew. If you love tonkatsu and beef steaks, we guarantee that you will love this one.
美味しい。美味しいね。